Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English words 1.
English words 1.
Family.
Family.
This is a family.
This is a family.
And this is a family.
And this is a family.
Look at this family.
Look at this family.
A family.
A family.
A happy family.
A happy family.
Happy.
Happy.
I am happy.
I am happy.
A happy family.
A happy family.
They are happy.
They are happy.
The dog is happy.
The dog is happy.
The dog is sad.
The dog is sad.
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 It is sad.
It is sad.
The clown is sad too.
The clown is sad too.
Sad.
Sad.
Happy.
Happy.
Doll.
Doll.
This is a doll.
This is a doll.
The doll is sad.
The doll is sad.
Ugly.
Ugly.
He is ugly.
He's ugly.
The cat is ugly.
The cat is ugly.
It is ugly.
It is ugly.
This cat is beautiful.
This cat is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
This cat is beautiful too.
This cat is beautiful too.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This bird is beautiful.
This bird is beautiful.
Is he ugly?
Yes, he is.
He's ugly too.
He's ugly too.
He's sad.
He's sad.
The clown is sad.
The clown is sad.
They are not sad.
They are not sad.
They are happy.
They are happy.
They are a family.
They are a family.
The doll is happy.
The doll is happy.
It is not sad.
It is not sad.
I see one happy doll.
I see one happy doll.
I see two happy dolls.
I see two happy dolls.
I see two happy girls.
I see two happy girls.
1,
1,
2.
2.
I see 3 paper dolls.
I see 3 paper dolls.
3.
3.
I see 4 paper dolls.
I see 4 paper dolls.
4.
4.
I see 5 paper dolls.
I see 5 paper dolls.
5.
5.
I see a sad girl.
I see a sad girl.
The boy is happy.
The boy is happy.
His name is Max.
My name is Max.
Start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding, 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 ding. Meow.
Yeah.
Can you name the numbers and read the words? Can you?
Yeah.
2, 2. That's right. Can you name them, okay? Can you read?
5, 5.
3, 5, 2, 4, 3.
Young,
Young.
old.
Old.
She's young,
She is young.
and she's old.
And she is old.
Are they old or young? Are they old or young? They are old. They are old. They are old and happy. They are old and happy. Are they young or old? Are they young or old? They are young. They are young. 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 They are young. They are old. She's very old. She's very old. E or N?
Umbrella. An umbrella. Lemon. A lemon. Kitten. A kitten. Fox. A fox. Apple. An apple. Elephant. An elephant. Banana.
A banana.
A banana.
A banana.
A banana.
Max, orange.
Orange. An orange.
An orange.
Apple. An apple. Crab. A crab. Egg. An egg. Dog. The dog.
A cat. A cat. An ant. An ant. One ant. One ant. Two ants. Two ants. Three ants. Three ants. Four ants. Four ants. Five ants. Five ants. I'm an ant. I'm an ant. This is a car. This is a car. This car is old. This car is old. This is an old car. This is an old car. A new car. A new car. This is a new car. This is a new car. Old. Old. New. New. Old. Young. Old. Young. Bye. See you soon. Thank you for learning English with us today. Email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Little Angel Reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.